students, today I will teach you chapter 7, the leg trap. In this chapter we will learn about Dheera and his bravery. Now class, I will start the chapter. So reading is here. Dheera was shoe shine boy. Shoe shine boy means who polished shoes. Okay. He lost his father when he was very young. Very young means when he was a little child. Okay. And he now lived in hutment. Hutment means a group of huts with his mother and sister. Dheera was hard working boy. After school, he would sit near a cinema hall and polish shoes for living. One day it was very hot. Dheera sat under a tree. He was counting his day's earning. One day it was very hot and Dheera sat under a tree and he is counting the earning and humming a popular tone. Popular tone means humming means softly singing. Okay, popular means famous, any tone he was singing. When he overheard a passerby, a thief has just stolen a necklace from the jewelry shop. Who is saying this? A man is saying who was passing there, where Dheera was sitting. Dheera stopped counting. He quickly put his money back into his pocket and asked the passerby, "Could you please tell me when and where this happened?" He want to know where this activity has done. So he want to ask to the passerby. Now next. Just he stole a gold necklace and managed to run away. Who said this? Passerby said this just now. He stole a gold necklace and managed to run away. They say he has a beard. So saying, the passerby went to his way. Passerby giving information to him that necklace is stolen right now and thief has a beard also. Dheera was about to go towards the jewelry shop to find out more details when a customer called out to him. Dheera want to go to the jewelry shop to find out all the things that has done in the jewelry shop. Boy polished my shoes nicely. There is no hurry, he said, looking at his wristwatch. Customer was looking his wristwatch and he was saying, "There is no hurry, you can polish my shoes. I have enough time." Okay. Now, the customer was wearing blue coat and red tie. Okay. He looked like rich man according to his clothes. Dheera sat down immediately to polish his shoes, though his mind was still on the theft. He was polishing his shoes, but his mind was still on the theft only. Okay. With his yellow clothes, Dheera dusted the shoe quickly. With his yellow clothes, Dheera used yellow clothes to dusting the shoes. Then he opened a tin means box, took out some polish and spread it on the shoe. Okay. With his brush, he worked fast. He rubbed in the polish and started shining the shoe. Okay. Now next para is although the corner of his eyes, Dheera saw two policemen approaching. He was eager to ask them about the theft. When Dheera saw two policemen, okay, so he was very eager. Eager means anxious. Okay, he was very eager to know about the theft. So he want to ask to policeman. But the customer seemed to have lost his temper. But customer was looking that he has lost his temper because he was very angry. Okay, He said, "You silly chap, you are not doing your job well." Who said this? Customer said this. Okay. He shouted, glancing quickly at the police. Or he was shouted because he was looking to policemen. "Police, polish my shoes till they shine. There are 5 more minutes for the shoe begin." Now he was saying that you have only 5 minutes for polishing my shoes. Customer is saying to Dheera. Okay. Now Dheera was badly shaken. Shaken means shaked. He was very vibrate. His body was vibrate. To listen his voice, he must be an important man. He thought, the customer is looking very important man. He may even complain about to me to the policeman. He was very afraid to him that he can complain to me to the policeman. He thought. Okay. So he put his attention towards the polishing the shoe. So he was doing his work very neatly and very quickly and very neatly. Okay. Now next para is, as soon as he was through with the left shoe, Dheera said, "The other shoe, sir." Then he has done his left shoe, so he said to customer, "Please give me your other leg." The man put his other foot on the stand. "Hurry up, fellow." He is saying, "Hurry up, fellow. There are only 2 more minutes left for the shoe to begin." Now he was in very hurry, and he is saying, "You have only 2 minutes for polishing." Funny, Dheera said himself a moment ago he was in no hurry, but now he was in great hurry. Dheera said, it is very funny. Some time ago he was not in hurry, and now he was in very hurry. This is not a good thing. Dheera dusted the shoe quickly and applied some polish to it, and he was about to shine it with a clothes. He found something sticking. Sticking means gummy. Okay, out of shoes at the back. So what can it be? Dheera wondered. He thought. He bent his head to take a closer look. He bent his head to see the sticking very clearly. Okay, so he bent his neck. Now next, what can be it? Dheera wondered. Dheera was thinking about it. What is sticking? He bent his neck to take a closer look. My goodness, that'll do. Boy, it's time, said the man, taking his foot off the stand. Dheera continued to shine the shoe with the clothes. Okay, Dheera was knowing and everything that what is sticking in the shoe, and he know this is something in the shoe, while the man flummed in his wallet for change. And now polishing work has been done, so he was giving some coins to Dheera. But next para, the boy quickly tied the ends of the laces of 2 shoes. Okay, when Dheera saw the sticking something in the shoe, so he tied shoelaces into each other and got up without taking the coin the man held out. Okay, and without taking any coin, he held the man and he rushed to the policeman. He could hear the man yelling. Yelling means shouting. Okay, you are rug. Rug means evil. Who said this? Customer said this. You are rug. You get you, but what's happening? He is asking to him, what are you doing here? You are not taking any money to polishing it, and you are going there. Who shouted? Customer is shouted here. Okay. Now next, the man felt flat on his face when he tried to walk, and customer want to go, but he fell down. Okay, because his shoelaces tied with each other. He was struggling to get up, and he was to try to get up. Dheera was back with two policemen. They caught hold to him, and Dheera came back again, and two policemen caught him. Okay, now next. The gold necklace was found in his shoes when police caught him. So yes, he was jeweler thief. Police recognized him that he was thief, and they found the necklace in the shoe. Beard is in his pocket, and beard was in his pocket. He was taken to the police station. Who go to the police station? Customer, because he was the thief. Okay. Now, of course, Dheera was praised for his presence of mind. Okay, presence of mind means his ability. Okay, about his ability. So Dheera has praised by the everyone. Okay, he was also rewarded by the police and the jewelers, and his school to honored means respect. Okay, respect. Our school gave respect to him with a medal for his bravery. Now class, your chapter has been done. I hope you have understand this chapter very clearly. Okay, thank you.